Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Discord app on your Steam Deck. So in order to do this, you'll need to turn on the desktop mode, and we've shown you in the previous video on how to do it, but it's fairly simple. All you need to do is to hold the power key and switch to the desktop. Next is to open the Discover app right here. Go in the search. If you don't have a keyboard, simply click on Steam and X. The keyboard should pop up and you can enter Discord. Hit the enter, close the keyboard with the same combination and install the Discord right here. So when it's ready, click on it. Here you can launch it. Now the Discord should open. You just need to enter your email and password to log in. And also another thing, if you don't want to go all the time and enable Discord through your desktop mode, you can always click on the start right here, find all applications and Discord in it. It's right here. Hold the left click on it and add to the Steam. Now if we turn back the game mode for this device, it should be in our library, so let's go to the library itself. Also leave the family view. Here, non-Steam and the Discord play. App should open. And should work the same way as on your desktop. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.